The Obee Odee 3-in-1 high chair is designed with a smooth surface that makes cleaning effortless, ensuring the seat cushion and food tray remain immaculate. Featuring a spacious 14.17-inch seat with an exceptionally soft PU cushion, this high chair combines comfort with a modern design that complements any home decor. This versatile high chair adapts with your growing child, transforming from a booster seat to a toddler high chair and even a classic high chair for various dining occasions. Engineered with reinforced joints and strong legs, the high chair provides stability and safety, supporting up to 110 pounds with an adjustable 5-point harness. Designed for busy families, the Obee Odee high chair assembles without tools in just 3 minutes and folds into a compact, lightweight package for easy transportation. Ideal for outings or saving space at home, this portable high chair allows families to enjoy dining on the go without compromising on comfort or style.